morning. It's Sunday. Let's go eat brekkie. Happy holidays.
Katie.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Look at the back. It's plain. Happy Sunday from the Really Pretties. We're just stopping in to say hi. Like 30 minutes ago. So we leave on our cruise in like 24 days or 25 days. So like Dee's like super stressed out because there's still like a lot of VLOGMAS left. There's California within that 25 days, Christmas, New Year's, all that stuff. There's Dad over there. He's gonna take the Really Pretties to go to the bathroom. So today I gotta get packing done, Christmas cards labeled and all that stuff. I'm like, it's fried up here. So we're only gonna be making Stollen today, and we have a basketball game tonight, and whatever other little check-ins I can find, I will do them. But me and Dad love you. Dad, blow a kiss.
Would you be a dear and take her out back while I take him out front?
We're like really busy for
Just our daughter giving us hugs. Bro, come do this. We're behind by 3 days.
Yay!
So
3 days, so the 17th.
go to the 17th.
Oh, nice.
Wait, how many days is that we need to do? 1, 2, 3. So move it to the 9th. Lunch. It's tacos.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat?
When you wish upon a star
To infinity and beyond!
Let it go, there ain't nothing gonna stop me now, 'cause I'm almost
Probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer.
you're the best of friends.
a dream is a wish your heart made. Know you, I walked with you once upon a dream.
Hi everyone, welcome to the pre-show. We have a really pretty Stollen we're gonna bake. Today you're gonna bake that with Dad, and he's gonna teach you how to do it, why you do it, and where the tradition comes from. Stay tuned. You didn't know I could talk that deep, did you? Good tidings we bring for Brian Holgate. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We were up late and slept weird, so we're wearing the fake glasses today to take away the fact that I look like a really pretty sleepy person. Is that Mr. Dad? Who's behind me? Oh, bro! Oh my gosh, you look so cute! Hi! Oh my gosh, picture, click. Where's that? Yes! I was hoping you would wear that. That's why I put it at the top of the stairs. Let's do this. To save myself the time, I want you to just explain what a Stollen is real quick.
I want you to explain what a Stollen is.
Well, stand next to me because you look cute.
I am next to you.
Dad wanted me to explain what a Stollen is. A Stollen is like a loaf of bread, but it's sweet. It has raisins in it. It has powdered sugar on top. Did we buy the almond paste? We did?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It has almond paste, and some call it marzipan. What am I missing?
Well, it's not quite like bread. It's more like a giant cookie texture.
How about that?
That would be the way to
It's heavenly, but who would make this your entire childhood?
My mom. She makes it every Christmas, and she would make it on Easter, and that's it.
So we're gonna keep that tradition alive today. These are some ingredients you'll need, and look at how cute this is. Both Dad and daughter going through his mother's recipe box.
So what we did, you also use sausage in this.
Ew, that looks like one. But this is the almond paste, and I just told Dad I am like very much like, he's sliving. I'm in Pluto socks, Dad's in Goofy. Bro's in Mickey?
Yashi.
I mean, that is so cute. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Whoa, bro, you look pretty. I need a picture of you in front of the tree though. I'm scared. Okay, so first Dad's putting the flour in. What else is going in first, Dad? And this is a deep, dark family recipe from over like 400 years. So Dad doesn't share it. Sorry. Is that true? I'm scared. Just did a mini photo shoot of this stunning girl. Back to Dad's kitchen. There's 2 recipes on the card.
It's the same. No, there's 2 cards, like 2 separate recipes. And I
One
never.
for you, one for me.
Yeah, I don't know. So I'm always like flipping between them like, did she write this correctly?
Dad's mom's writing is so cute though.
Yeah.
Look at how cute his mom's writing is. That's your grandma. She's literally the one who sat you down and taught you to speak Christmas.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, Dee Dee, sing it
My
with
mom's
us.
handwriting also is all like mine.
Looks like that?
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Dee Dee, do you want to get
Thank you.
1 cup of raisins?
So I'm getting the raisins for Dad. 4 cups of raisins. Throwing off the recipe. So if you end up getting too much raisins on your hand, just wash them when you're done. And do you guys want Dad to teach you where the name Stollen comes from?
How about Germany?
You know that? No, the story of it. You know when Mary and Joseph were going to the inn with the baby? They had this, and they had this loaf of bread, cookie bread. Someone stole it from them. They said, oh my God, our bread was stolen. That's a good Dad. You can't deny that's a good on the fly story.
That's a good one.
Father and daughter are creating the, oh, the well's gone.
Yeah, wait, to
Oops.
put sugar in. It's okay.
So they're putting the sugar in. Hi, Scooby.
Take care, Cassie.
Lemon extract, vanilla,
We have
almond,
the eggs down.
rum. Can I crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, bro?
And then you put your trash in.
3.
2, no shellsies, promise. And you said the piglet, Dad?
Yeah, you did.
Dad and bro want me to smell the well.
Oh, it smells so good.
Aww, gives me flashbacks to Christmases of times past.
Like that.
So you've got all the extracts in there. Is that one reason?
Wait, which
You
one?
just put one in so far. Oh, and then
Oh.
nicely done. Oh, where's the booty? We've got some eggies, the raisies. I won't. No, I will have one of these.
So the next part that me and Dad are gonna do is like the complicated part, where you have to like take little pieces of the marzipan and the cream cheese and like mix it into the well without getting all of the flour in. It's like a process.
It is, and
Little by
this
little.
is their job. Aw, Kenzie just said we're never gonna die, we're gonna live forever because we're magical. So the well's happening right now. This is what Dad does. And the really pretties always love to do that fighting, screaming noises whenever we have the camera going. But, so Dad creates this little thing. What's that for, Dad?
So
Really pretties!
This mixes the sugar and the eggs and the spices and the flavorings together.
Yeah, it's so
And then
freaking good.
you just slowly, see how it just slowly pulls the flour in? You just slowly pull the flour into it.
And bro is doing.
I'm just making
Always
little
by,
pieces.
always by hand.
Loves
Oops.
it. Our angel is setting the oven timer or the temperatures or whatever that's called. Dad is diligently working over here. We wish you a really pretty Christmas. Come on, say it with me. We wish you a really pretty Christmas and a happy New Year.
Dee Dee, I'm gonna need you to prepare the pan for me.
I'd love to.
Okay, Kenz, go ahead and start just putting little blobs everywhere. 2 hands, go.
The pan is when I put the foil down and spray it.
Yeah, put enough foil that it wraps around the edge.
That's so cute. You have me do that every year.
Do I?
Yes.
That's so cute.
A normal cookie sheet.
Yeah, the ones like your mom gave me.
I can do it. Remember when Judy would say that?
can do it.
Okay, so we're putting in the cream cheese and the marzipan, little pieces bit by bit.
Yeah, we are. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is.
Ooh, it's like
And it
the.
smells so good.
Ooh, it
What is
does.
foil made from, Dad?
Aluminum?
What's aluminum made from?
Aluminum.
Where did you
It's-
get that?
It's
the
by
earth.
itself.
What?
Aluminum is on the periodic table of elements, so it just is what it is.
Cool. Is this really pretty or no?
That's absolutely perfect.
Thank you.
100% perfect.
Get you a dad who encourages you. Have you ever tried chewing on aluminum?
See? So
Oh god, it's the worst.
it's kind of like
I'm leaving the little house of Lululemon horse and going over here.
Okay. We're putting some raisins in.
and bring the pan over here.
These amazing wrapping. This is the love part.
Aww.
It looks like cookie dough.
It is cookie dough. And that's it.
And now my angel boy.
Jay, try some.
Okay. Now my angel boy has put the Stollen. Oh my god, that's good. I'll let you shoot hoops it for 10 minutes if we go right when this goes in the oven. Is that okay?
Yeah.
With the school?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's it, baby. It looks like chocolate chip cookie dough, but it's quite not. Those are raisins. Bro is getting all of the last minute little squiggly wigglies in the bowl. Dad, job well done. How long does this bake for?
Like 50 minutes.
50? Great. Are you excited for basketball tonight? Thanks. Here goes my handsome baby boy. And then in it goes. I hope you enjoyed this part of Stollen. We'll see you when it's done. A cute sight to behold. The sunset going down and Dad playing basketball with Bro for 15 minutes while the Stollen bakes before the basketball game. Look, and she just made one. No, merry basketball night, darling. Sweetie, I'm hooking your jersey on your door. You're welcome. For dinner, Dad made ada, not avo, avocado salad, chicken and rice. The cruise diet. It's basketball time. Bye. Welcome to the fourth lighting the candles from Dad. Did that look real? Wait! I haven't taken a photo of it.
Pop her down.
Don't you ever touch me. Yes.
My mom would never let
This is a live taste test reaction. Your mom would never let you?
Actually, that's not true. My mom would probably be like, no, don't touch the edge. Here, have the middle.
Don't touch the edge.
I'm scared.
That
I'm
whole piece
thirsty.
of it is mine.
You wish.
Oh my god, Dad.
Is it better than last year?
Mm-hmm.
Last year, I think I over kneaded it.
That one's mine.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Just kidding. Oh no, dude, I'm being serious. I wanted Dad to cut that out.
Wanna see it? Wanna see it?
It's so good.
Can you see?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. We are Stollen-y.
Is it good?
It's so pretty.
Oh my god, Dad, go to time out. This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you expect from Dad? He's the king of Siksi.